lying on the side of the body for clam, knees bent, heels touching. Again, have a cushion underneath the head or use your arm as a cushion. Top hand in front for balance, hips stacked on top of one another, shoulders stacked on one another. Shoulders drawn down and away from the ears, top hand in front. Inhale to expand the ribs, and as you exhale, the top knee opens up. Keep the heels together. Inhale, expand ribs, knees together. Exhale, opening. Inhale, lowering. 3, exhale, open. Inhale, lower. 4, exhale, open. Inhale, lower. And 5, exhale, open. And inhale, lower. Then rolling on to the other side, I'll flip around for you so you can see me. So knees are bent, top hand is resting in front to help you balance, shoulders down away from the ears, hips stacked, knees together, ankles together. Clam. Inhale to expand the ribs as you exhale, open up the top knee. Inhale, closing. Exhale, opening. Drawing belly, pull up pelvic floor. Inhale, expand ribs, close. 4, exhale, open. Inhale, close. And 5, exhale, open. Inhale, close. So that's clam. It really helps to tone through all the muscles of the buttocks of the upper leg. And again, working our waist and our balance as well. So it helps to stabilize the pelvis.